how to access them and how to begin to save them. So the easiest way to get to report cards is simply open up your web browser. I prefer Chrome, but you can use whatever you want. And you're going to go to your Google Drive. And if you just end up searching for it, it'll take you there. And if you click on it, usually it takes you to this little splash screen that looks like this. And we can go right into our Google Drive. Now, we are all members of the Google Education Suite, which means that we have unlimited drive storage. And I highly recommend that you use it. And as you can see, I have a lot of folders in here. Now, I've shared a folder with everyone that will use the report cards, at least I think I have. If I missed anyone, let me know. And you should have two folders that are shared. This SDCCS report card templates and SDCCS report card finished. Those are the two that you're going to be mainly using here. So I'm going to go into templates, open templates again, and you can see here that I have all 5 of the different templates for each grade level. I've updated them based on expectations for each one, and the easiest way to do it here is if I double click from here, say I'm going to do a bridging template, I can then look at how it looks. Oh, it looks very nice, got some colors in there, but notice I can't do any editing. So I do not want to just double click on it this way. What I want to do is I want to open up this file using Adobe Acrobat Reader. So what I'll do is I can right click on it and I'm going to download it. Once I've downloaded it, I can find it using a bunch of different ways, but we probably all know how to find it from our downloads folder. So I'm just going to go into my Explorer, go into my downloads, and I can see that I have the report card bridging template listed. And I'm just going to double click on it, and it's going to open it up right into my document that I can start to edit. Now, what I want to make sure that I'm doing is when I look up here, it says Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now, mine says Adobe Acrobat Pro because I have the one that I can edit the documents. Yours should say Adobe Acrobat Reader. There's a chance that it's going to say you're in preview or you're going to be in some other kind of reading software. If you use any other software, it will break the editable PDFs, and when you are done, it will look like your changes are saved, but no one else will be able to go back in and edit it anymore. So please don't do that. It's a little bit easier on the PC because typically on the PC it'll ask you to install Adobe Acrobat Reader, but if you're on a Mac, that's when the big problems start because it'll just open automatically in preview and you don't want it to do it that way. You can also start by opening Acrobat Reader and then do File, Open, and guide it to your downloads that way. But I find that to be a little bit more complicated. Okay? So now you've got your template. If I'm a bridging teacher, I'm here and I'm ready to start editing and making my folder. I'm going to stop the video here and I'm going to make the next video with showing expectations or at least some tips and tricks on how to do it quickly, how to make your whole class, and how to go on there, how to do this in as little time as possible.